Okay, this is my 1993 RENKEN Seamaster, and it's for sale. It's a very good running boat. Take a picture of the motor run right there. The motor is very clean, well maintained. Let's go over here. We've got the dash right here. We got a little cuddy cabin down there. Overall, it's a real nice boat. It's a little older, but well maintained. Just don't have the time for it anymore. So I thought I'd just sell it and just let it sit around. Here, take a look at the outdrive. Which is a very good running outdrive. Has a 305 Chevy engine with a Yamaha outdrive. See the pump and the outdrive works very well. Just painted the underneath of the boat a couple weeks ago. Looks pretty nice. Asking price is $5,500, but best offer.